What's up, traders? It's Patkat.trading here for another daily recap of the S&P 500. Today's date is December 1, Thursday. So basically, I'm going to go through Thursday's price action, what stop price, what happened to it, the trades I took, and what my trade plan is for Friday. So basically, we had this big up day on Wednesday. And eventually price, just based on if you were watching my previous videos, we pretty much just hit the supply zone. Aside from that, we also hit this pretty big trend line over here. So I was looking for sales on the first tap of the daily supply zone, confluent with the downtrend line. So the only trade I took here was pretty much this one. M15, we pretty much spiked the supply zone, but I didn't do a limit order on that. But as soon as I saw it go down with this big wick over here, I pretty much market sold 40.90. I was able to clear 40.90, high of day here, stop at the high of day, roughly around here, roughly a 20-point stop, and I took most of my position out at 40.60 and got stopped on the runner. So it's almost 1.5 R. Not too bad. I didn't want to, well, hindsight, I should have just put a limit order at 4100, but after that huge day on Wednesday, I didn't want to step in front of it without confirmation, and this pretty much was confirmation for me. It was like a false breakout. Broke it, retested the highs, pretty much just sat there, then spiked the supply zone, and pretty much was a good trade going down. If you check the M5, it was a good selling candle, pretty much retested, good selling candle, took the highs over here, pretty much just sold off pretty good. Okay, so what am I looking at for Friday? So I'm trying to be objective here. I don't want to be chasing longs around here, but I'm still definitely looking for longs. Just trying to be objective. We are still at this trend line. So as long as this trend line doesn't break, we are still in an uptrend. So I'm basically just gonna look for short-term shorts and just gonna be looking for longs for swings. What I'm looking at, pretty much a key level here is 40.30. I talked about this in previous videos, and I like 40.30. Well, 40.20. Let's just do 40.20, just because there's just because of this gap here. So as soon as Sunday opened, well, Monday sold off, and then pretty much just broke right through it. And I like the confluences here for, if you put the EMAs, the daily closed above the daily 200, retested it on the pullback on Thursday, and spiked up. Since this was already retested, I consider this a retest. It might not be accurate on TradingView, but since it's already retested, I'm gonna look for the next level down, and I like this level 40, around 40.30 to 40.10. So my trade plan is I'm basically gonna be buying any pullbacks into this level. And there's a little gap here that might fill. Put a 20 point stop and just go from there. So by 40.20, if it does, since we have NFP tomorrow, jobs data, and if it does spike up tomorrow, I'm still going to be looking for sells, but the sells are going to be around here. I like this supply zone over here, roughly around before 4200, 41850. I'm gonna put some alerts over here. So if ever we do spike up, it's gonna be like a sell the news event. If it's a positive jobs report. So pretty much, if it does spike up tomorrow, I'm gonna be selling here, and then take profit around 40.30. Then I'm gonna build some swing longs from there. The alternative scenario is if it does break down from here, so if ever it does spike down, type of price action that I want is pretty much a quick dip, reclaim 40.50, and we're going to take it up to here. So that is my plan if it spikes down. If it spikes up first, then I'm going to take it there. If it goes up first, short 40.19875, then take profit at 40.50. So that is my plan tomorrow. Anything can happen. All we can do is pretty much just react with what price gives us, but I'm still bullish as long as we stay above this trend line. If it breaks, then we short 40.30, then taking out these lows. But I still don't see it happening until I still think we're supported until the next until December 16, which is the major option expiry date. So until then, I still think that dips should be bought, shorts should be short. All right. So pretty much the plan is short 418 if we get there first, buy dips from 40.30, and should be short. Should reclaim 40.50 pretty quick. If not, then has a good chance of breaking down and taking out that. I don't see much support here after 40.30. So that's pretty much the plan. All we can do is react and go from there. All right. Good luck tomorrow, guys. Let's make some money. Bye bye.